This RE/MAX Preferred Associates property video is presented by Derek Wesley. This great-looking brick rancher sitting on a corner lot offers a freshly painted exterior, new windows, an earth tone decor, open floor plan, updated flooring throughout, and a large master ensuite that is split from the other bedrooms. The master bathroom has been updated with his and her vanities, a separate tiled shower, jacuzzi tub, and a large walk-in closet. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances, plenty of cabinets, and a utility closet. A home inspection was completed on this property on August 6, 2020 and available upon request. Come and see if this is your new home before it is too late. For more information, review the details below or contact Derek Wesley at 972-293-4567.